Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today's recipe, I got a great, refreshing summer dessert for you. Are you a fan of lemon and blueberry like I am? Y'all are in for a treat. We're going to make lemon blueberry cake. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and we're gonna frost it with a homemade lemon cream cheese frosting. How yummy does that sound? This cake is super moist. When I say super moist, I mean it is super moist. Great dessert to end the summer's meal. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more cake recipes, check out my cake recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Sweet Tea. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cake pans, your lemons, and your blueberries, sugar, because we're about to bake some lemon blueberry cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 3 cups of cake flour. And into our cake flour, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And give it a quick whisk until everything's well blended. Or you can sift them if you like. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, we're going to add in 4 extra large eggs at room temperature, 2 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. Going to make the cake nice and moist. 1 carton of lemon Greek yogurt at room temperature, 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of pure lemon extract. Give it an extra lemon boost. 2 tablespoons of grated lemon zest, and a half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're well combined. Alright, my friends, now it's time to alternate our dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. With our flour mixture and 1 cup of buttermilk at room temperature. And this is my homemade buttermilk. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. We're going to begin and end with flour. And always begin and end with flour. It will make the cake nice and tender. And mix until well combined. Last of the buttermilk. And last of the flour. Keep on mixing and be careful not to over mix. Alrighty, my friends, this is optional. I'm going to add in a few drops of yellow food coloring to give the batter nice and yellow. Alright, that's good. Mix this in until it's well combined. Alrighty, my friends, our cake batter is complete. See how nice and luscious and whipped that is? Beautiful yellow. Nothing like the smell of lemon. Smells heavenly. Alrighty, there's one more thing we got to add to it. The blueberries. Gonna add in 1 2/3 of a cup of fresh blueberries. And over here, I have a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Gonna add that in and stir them in. And the flour will help from sinking down the bottom. It'll help suspend them. And I rinse my blueberries. And pour this into our batter. And we're going to gently fold the blueberries in. Oh, I love lemon and blueberry. One of my favorite combinations. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through folding up my blueberries. Now we're ready to pour the batter into our pans. We're going to pour it into 2 9-inch round cake pans, and I spread it generously with baking spray, or you can grease the pans with butter and flour. So we're going to take my half a cup measurement, going to scoop the batter and pour it into our cake pans. That will help us get even layers. All right, as soon as I get through pouring my batter into my pans, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got all my batter into my pans, so now I'm going to shake them and bang them to get the air bubbles out. Now we're ready to put our cakes in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let them bake for about 35 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I have taken my cakes out of the oven. And it smells amazing. And they're nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to let them cool in the pan for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my cakes out of the pan. So now I'm going to let them cool completely on the wire rack. And I got some place on the bottom. And while they're cooling, let's go ahead and get started on a luscious cream cheese frosting. In my stand mixer, we're going to add in a 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese and a half a cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter, and they're both at room temperature. A pinch of salt, a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a half a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alrighty, and over here I have 4 cups of powdered sugar that's sifted, or you can whisk it. I'm going to add a little bit in and mix it in until it's well blended. Alright, last with the powdered sugar. Mix this in until it's well blended. Alrighty, my friends, our cream cheese frosting is complete. And our cakes is nice and cool. We're ready to give them some sugar. I have placed one of my cakes onto my cake stand and I lined it with wax paper for easy cleanup. So we're going to take a dollop of the frosting and spread it evenly all over, like so. Alrighty, now we're going to take our second layer and dollop some frosting on top. And spread it all over. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna frost the sides. Frost it all over the cake, just like that. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and finish icing my cake and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through icing my cake. So now we're gonna gently remove the wax paper. Oh yes, beautiful, nice clean plate. So now there's a couple more things we gotta add to it. Since this is a lemon blueberry cake, I'm gonna add on some sliced lemons and some blueberries. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Lemon blueberry cake. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends, I have fixed me up a great big southern slice and I garnish it with some lemon slices and blueberries. Oh, my mouth's watering. Look at the blueberries inside. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. It's so moist and delicate, it just breaks apart. Look at that. Have a bite. It melts in your mouth. Oh my Lord. The blueberry's nice and juicy and it's full of fresh lemon flavor. This cake definitely screams summer. And that cream cheese frosting is wonderful. This is divine, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Lemon blueberry cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email. ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay cool.